Welcome back to Apex Builders Group. Here's a perfect example of a seismic catastrophe ready to happen. This building is abandoned, and for good reason. Take a look at the structure. It's called a non-story, one good earthquake shake, and this building is on the ground with everything above it. Whatever happened here won't happen again. Current building codes would not allow this. So, an investment in a construction building is now a lost financial disaster. It doesn't provide any use. It should be demolished and removed. It is basically an eyesore. Something like this is unbelievable, but still exists in different areas. It's actually amazing. It really is. You span back here and get a better look at that. Yep, that's a catastrophe waiting to happen.